Tax time is just around the corner, and you know what that means? Tax refunds! But wait! Before you rush to do your tax return, you need to ask yourself one question. Am I tax ready? Checking your myGov account is the fastest way to find out if you're tax ready. Unfortunately, we don't have the time or resources to make these checks for clients during the busy season. So in this short video, we will show you step by step how you can check for yourself if you're tax ready. You can access your income statement through ATO online services. Search the website my.gov.au, or you can access online services through the myGov or the ATO app. Enter your login details to sign in. If you're having trouble logging in, you can use this link, or Google trouble logging into myGov, and it will bring up this link in the search. This page discusses a number of sign-in issues and what you can do to try fix them. If you're still stuck, there is a contact number to call for support. Once you're logged in, the website page and the app look a little different, but the menus are essentially the same. You can click on the Go to Australian Taxation Office button on the website. In the app, click the Services option from the bottom menu. Then click on Australian Taxation Office in the Services menu. On the website, click on the Employment drop-down menu and select Income Statements. On the app, click on View My Income Statements. The current year should display on the front screen. Check for the green Tax Ready tag. If it does not appear, you will need to wait until your employer marks your income statement as tax ready before you prepare and lodge your tax return. Most employers have until 14th of July to finalise their data. They will let you know if there are any delays in the finalisation of your income statement. It is important that you don't use any information that is not marked tax ready, as your employer may finalise your income statement with different amounts. If you lodge before the statement is tax ready, you may need to amend your tax return. Once your tax return ready, register to have your tax return prepared by us. Visit djgrig.com.au/tax return registration. DJ Grig Financial. Build your wealth with a company who cares.